Hi everyone, welcome back to FIBO. Today, we are exploring a lifestyle that's not just trendy but essential, sustainable living. And guess what? It starts right at home. Your interiors can do more than reflect your style. They can support the planet, reduce waste, and create a healthier space for you and your loved ones. From innovative materials to small changes with big impact, we're diving into everything sustainable interior design. So, grab a cup of tea and let's get started. Before we dive into the how, let's talk about the why. Did you know? The construction and design industry accounts for nearly 40% of global CO2 emissions. Every piece of furniture, every coat of paint, it all leaves a carbon footprint. But here's the good news. Through sustainable interior design, we can flip the script. Sustainability isn't about sacrificing style. It's about making conscious choices that benefit both you and the planet. Whether it's repurposing old furniture, using energy-efficient lighting, or choosing eco-friendly materials, every step counts. And don't worry, you don't need a big budget to start. Let's look at how you can create a stunning, sustainable home. First up, let's talk materials. Think of this as the foundation of sustainable design. Here are some eco-friendly options to consider. 1. Bamboo, a stylish and durable alternative to hardwood. Bamboo grows quickly, making it highly renewable. Perfect for flooring or furniture. 2. Recycled materials. From countertops made of recycled glass to decor crafted from reclaimed wood, these options reduce waste and look unique. 3. Natural textiles. Opt for jute, hemp, or organic cotton for rugs, curtains, and cushions. They're biodegradable and add a rustic charm. 4. Low-work paints. Standard paints release harmful chemicals. Low-work paints are safer for you and the environment while offering the same vibrant finishes. Lighting plays a major role in your home's energy consumption. And the best part? The sun is the most sustainable light source. Following are some ways to consider while looking into using natural light to full potential. 1. Let the light in. Replace heavy drapes with sheer curtains or use blinds that can be adjusted to let in sunlight. 2. Reflect and amplify. Strategically place mirrors to bounce sunlight into darker corners, reducing your need for artificial lighting. 3. Smart window placement. If you're renovating or building, consider larger windows on the east and west sides to capture the best natural light. Why buy new when you can breathe life into something old? Upcycling is a sustainable and creative way to decorate your home. Following are some ways to repurpose old furniture and deco. 1. Furniture makeovers. Turn old dressers into chic bathroom vanities or repaint vintage chairs to match your aesthetic. 2. DIY decor. Create art pieces from leftover fabric, turn mason jars into planters, or use pallets as coffee tables. 3. Thrifting gems. Explore thrift stores or flea markets for unique, pre-loved items that add character without adding waste. 'Plants are not just pretty, they're nature's air purifiers.' Incorporating greenery into your interiors is an easy step towards sustainability. Following are some ways you can do that. 1. Air purifying plants. Snake plants, spider plants, and peace lilies clean the air while looking great. 2. Edible greens. Start a small herb garden with basil, mint, or coriander in your kitchen. 3. Low maintenance options. If you're short on time, opt for hardy plants like succulents or pothos. 'Sustainable living is also about using energy wisely. Here's how you can make your home more energy efficient. 1. Switch to LEDs. See, they use up to 80% less energy than traditional bulbs and last longer. 2. Smart appliances. Invest in energy-efficient refrigerators, washers, and dishwashers. 3. Solar solutions. Install solar panels if possible, or start small with solar-powered outdoor lighting. 'Sometimes less is more.' Minimalism isn't just a style, it's a sustainable way of living. Declutter your home and only keep items that serve a purpose or bring you joy. Bonus here is, a cleaner home often means less energy used for upkeep. See, sustainable living doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. By making thoughtful choices in your interiors, you can create a home that's kind to the planet and perfect for you. Which of these tips are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more eco-friendly living tips. Until next time, keep watching FIBO.